If I lost everything tomorrow, my company, my network, my savings, and all I had was a laptop and a $20 AI subscription, which I'd probably pick ChatGPT. Here's how I would make my first $10,000. Not like a passive income where you wake up rich all of a sudden, but like if I literally had nothing but time, my laptop, Wi-Fi, and ChatGPT, this is how I would start over today. And as you know, I run a company, and as an operator, I use all the tech tools. We have Slack, we have Cloud, we have ChatGPT, we have Salesforce, we have everything. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. Let's go. And a quick promise for those of you all who are new to the channel, you can go through any of my videos. I am like the best version of an anti-gatekeeper. I promise you that it is so useful to subscribe to this channel because I am documenting how to actually use the playbook of building a company enabled by AI, but not necessarily like build an AI product. Okay. So that's the first thing I need you to unlearn. You're not going to make money with AI, which is what I feel like everybody is promising, all these kind of get rich quick schemes. But that's why most people are failing and why they're not actually executing it, because AI doesn't make money. AI removes the reason why you maybe couldn't get as far. It makes it more accessible. It puts more tools in your hands so that you can move faster. And it also removes the reason why people, used to say no to you. So think about what actually stops someone from earning money on the side. It's typically not desire. It's not like people want to be broke. It's not like people want to be unemployed. It's not like people want to be like struggling or living paycheck to paycheck. But it's sometimes because people don't have the resources, the time, or the freedom to actually take advantage of these tools. So one of the cool things about technology is that it makes you faster and it levels the playing field. It gives you more of an opportunity. You don't need to hire people who cost hundreds of thousands of dollars like engineers like you used to. So the play is that you take a skill that you have, something that's unique to you, and you start charging for it. And AI is really just an enabler for that service or that expertise or that product offering. So that's the part that matters the most when starting from zero. You don't need to be the best. You don't need to be the fastest. You need to literally be good enough that somebody will pay you for something that maybe they don't have time to do on their own. That's like the entire game. Okay. So I want you to write this down. Expertise you can borrow times leverage and somebody who's willing to pay. That's how you're going to make your first 10K. Okay. All right. Okay. So before we get into what you're going to build and how you're going to build it, let's just get into the math of $10,000 so that the $10,000 number doesn't feel as scary, because I know $10,000 feels like a mountain. So $10,000 is one client paying you $2,500 a month for 4 months, right? It's 10 clients paying you. It's 20 projects that you are able to charge $500 for, or it's 100. So there's a lot of different ways to get there. I'm always going to try to go for the highest price for the lowest volume of people. But if I had unlimited time, I might go for more people at a lower price point because that's going to have a bigger market. And so that is kind of what most beginners get backwards. They go for the 100 people buying cheap route first. And because they feel like that's safer, that's more passive, that's easier for them. But it is really hard because it also requires you to sell to an audience you maybe don't have yet. If you have a big audience, you could do that. But getting 5 people to pay $500 once a month, all right, I feel like you can do that with 0 followings, with maybe just your Facebook page, your mama, your church, and you can build an audience later once the cash starts flowing in. All right, so the next thing that I want you to do is pick your lane. Pick the things that you are going to do. I'm going to give you 3 lanes to actually consider. This is an entire masterclass, so if you have not subscribed by now, I need you to do that. So I don't want you to do all 3. Please do not spread yourself thin. This is so important. We're trying to make this money. So number 1 thing you're going to do, option 1, done for you content. You're going to pitch to small business owners, coaches, busy professionals who want to build their personal brand, and you're going to produce all of their content for them in the month. You're going to do 1 interview, 1 meeting with them. You're going to take notes using the voice tool on ChatGPT. You're going to record the conversation, and you're going to take everything that you talk about. You're going to interview them. You're going to get their voice, their tone, and then you're going to use that asset, that conversation, to generate all their content for the month. I'm talking newsletters. I'm talking carousels, their posts on LinkedIn, and you're going to post it for them. That is worth $500 a month. Is it a lot of work? Yes. Yes, it is a lot of work. Okay. So I didn't say that you didn't have to work for this money now. I said that we're going to do it. Okay. So you're going to have to do the work. But I guarantee you, if you went to somebody on LinkedIn and said, hey, $500, everything, they would say yes, because a lot of people don't have time and you do. So you can figure that out. All right, lane two. Now, this is where you have a service and a skill that you already have, and then you're using AI on the back end to help you move faster so you can accommodate more clients. So, this is something like building websites, building dashboards, building spreadsheets, something online. So, writing people's resumes for them, helping apply to people's jobs for them if they're unemployed but they have discretionary income. Maybe you're like, I will apply for all your jobs for you. I will get your resume reviewed. I will like do that top of the funnel for you. And you're using AI to do this on the back end with you, but obviously you as a human are doing the work. So you would use ChatGPT Work, which is their new tool that actually is agentic and can do work for you to help build these funnels and actually get the work done on their behalf. But again, if somebody doesn't have time, but you do, that would be an example of a service that you could provide to them that they would be willing to pay. Because if they're able to get a job faster, 2 times faster, that $500 is literally nothing. And the third system, and this one is, I'm sure you've heard it online, which is you're going to implement people's AI systems for them. So a lot of people are not technical enough to actually build things like skills in AI or kind of like automated workflows for themselves or for their businesses, but they know what they want. They could articulate it, but they're not going to like open Codex or they're not going to open Claude Code. Now you might be like, girl, I don't know how to use Codex and I don't know how to use Claude Code either. Yes, I understand. I understand. So you're going to have to be up every night busting that butt on YouTube University for free, learning how to do all these things. And then every month you're going to be like, hey, I will sit with you every month. We'll audit what workflows we've already automated. We'll review things that need to be done. I'll build those skills. I'll install them into your ChatGPT instance. I'll sit with you. I'll sit with your team. And we'll make sure that you guys are AI enabled on your end. And that, again, $500 a month for somebody to sit with you and hand you the playbook, people are going to spend money on that. In fact, that price is honestly too low. But again, we just trying to get to this 10K, right? So these are the kind of things that I want you to think about. There's no excuse to be broke in this economy. If you have time, now a lot of people are broke because they're trading time for money and they're doing low wage work, and it's really hard to get out of that cycle. And so this is an opportunity for you to think differently about how to get out of that cycle if that's where you are. But if you find yourself as a highly skilled laborer who has worked at one of these big tech companies and find yourself unemployed, but you've got real skills, you can figure out how to make money and build yourself and build your business and become indispensable. Okay. So don't spend your first, couple months buying a bunch of software and subscribing to everything. Just pick one tool, ChatGPT. It's not procrastination if you just pick one tool. If you start buying up all these other tools and learning how to use Perplexity and Claude Code and Codex and you're procrastinating. So don't do that. Pick one and focus on locking in and building out one of these lanes, not all three, one. And then let's actually talk about how to get your first client, because you might be like, yeah, this is cute, don't worry, and I can do this, but I don't even know how to get people to pay me. So your first client is typically closer than you think. So I want you to go onto your LinkedIn and I want you to think about any stranger that you have ever encountered and how they will like immediately be like, oh, can we follow each other on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn? I need you to be that aggressive. So I want you to make a list of every person and business you already know that has a problem that one of those three lanes solves. So you go to the gym, that gym posts terrible. Your neighbor who has a lawn mowing service, his website is trash. Okay. Someone at your church who is a lawyer or an accountant and they're old school, but they need content now. So you need to start telling people that you're open for business. And this is the trick. This is very, very important. Instead of just pitching them blindly, I want you to do something for them. I want you to provide value for them. So I want you to be like, yo, let me build you a draft of this homepage. And then you send it. Hey, I've been learning about AI. I had some time, no strings attached. Here's an example of a homepage. I'm taking on a couple people, $500 a month if you want me to like build this for you. Boom. This message converts because you're actually removing the risk for these people, because you're showing them what they're going to get without them having to incur any risk. So this is how you get paid when you have zero portfolio. You manufacture basically the proof so that people start to trust you before you've really shown them or done anything for them. You're earning their trust because of the proof that you're putting in their hands. So your goal for the month is 10K, but your goal in the first week is not 10K. Your goal in the first week is to get one person to say yes. One person to say yes. And then that is the repeatable process that you run over and over and over again. Okay. So this might take 90 days. It might. But once you build this muscle, you will be unstoppable and you will start to believe that money and making money is something that you are capable of, regardless of whether somebody decided to give you a job or not, regardless of the market, regardless of anything, right? You're going to feel like $1,000 when you get that first client. I promise. And then once you start getting your work schedule filled up and it's popping, then you can raise your prices. But we're going to start in that $500 to $1,000 level so that we get these reps and this practice. And then you can start to raise your prices. And that is how you're going to get to your first 10K. Okay. So let me know what your questions are in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed. This is so fun to be able to help you get to the next level. I want to see you win. I want to see you work smart. And part of that is just getting out of our heads and getting more into our operator, owner, and execution mode. So if you're enjoying this Work Smart series, let me know what questions you have in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.